Hello, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners here in Woodbridge. About to clean this polyester fiber. These fibers are truly painstaking to clean. There's only one or two ways in cleaning this. Just apply the chemistry and see the results. This is actually a repeat client. He's used us before on one of his homes. Actually, it's his mom's home, and he had us come in there and clean all her furniture and stuff like that. And he called us back to come to his house about, I think, several months later. So here we are. And I didn't know it was going to be like this, but okay. Let me take a picture here so you guys can see an actual still photo. Like I said, there's only one or two ways to clean this, and it's to just really apply the chemistry and try to get the best results as much as possible. So just stand by and let's see what we can do here. All right, we're back with the upholstery here in Woodbridge. As you can see, looks really phenomenal. Hey, Alfie, can you pull that cushion back a little bit? Yeah, this looks amazing. Got the client here. What do you think, sir?
I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Fantastic.
You had mentioned before off screen that you didn't think it was going to look like this.
I'm shocked at how good it's come out. It's just
All right.
amazing.
Absolutely. Yeah, man. And you actually used us before in your Manassas location, correct?
I did.
Yeah, we did some upholstery for you there. And sooner or later, we're going to start taking care of these rugs and stuff like that. Maybe next year or something like that.
Okay. Yeah, probably in the spring.
In the spring. All right, good to go.
Thank you.
Well, no, thank you for calling us back, and I appreciate you. All right, Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners.